guys? Rush Vorce here, back with another episode of Rush Vorce Outdoors. I hope you guys are having a good day. It's Monday, and I just got off work, and I figured I would finish up this episode. I was going through some of the edits from last night, and I realized there was no intro, and there was no outro, really for the most part. So I guess I'm gonna start it in this video. So to start the story, my coworker bought a little John boat last year, along with myself, and we've both been fishing this lake just north of town, Lake Elmo, and we decided to meet up after work one day and do a little fishing challenge. So this is where it picks up, right when I get to the boat ramp, get my boat in the water, and he'd already been there fishing, so we started it right there, little 2-hour challenge, and this is what we get. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy.
You want to do the most fish or the biggest fish?
So let's just do most fish.
Most fish,
Total fish count.
I'm down. All right.
So
Take
you guys
a picture,
got your
keep proof.
Yeah, sure. Take the picture. We got the little videos here. So.
Oh yeah, there we go. Huh?
Yeah, we'll just see how many we get.
Cool. Oh yeah.
All right, guys.
Good luck to
This
you,
will be
man.
fun, man. What's your name?
It's Connor. That's my brother.
Rush. Tyler.
All right,
I'm pretty
cool.
sure I met. So, what was your name?
Right.
Nice to meet you, Mariah. Cool. All right, guys. Well, we'll see you out there. We'll see you out there.
Well, we're just gonna go. We're gonna go around and then we're gonna drop anchor over in front of the pier.
Okay.
And see if we can't jig up some alligators or some birds.
Small. You think there's some dude? What if we just met cut a walleye in here, dude? Here we are, Lake Elmo. This 2v2 tournament here. 2 hours. Most fish. I'm using a little old beat up silver spinner. Oh, we also want to throw a Rapala out the back. Or are you just gonna jig here for the first half?
I'm just gonna pull the spinner right behind. I think 2 spinners start out, maybe a trout.
Switching it up. White jerkbait. Yeah, dude, this jerkbait's gonna fucking do dirty. Here we go. This is our spot too. What are you on, 2?
3.
Oh damn. Dude, 3's a great speed.
Dude, 3's where it's at, man. Dive at. You know?
It dives to 6 feet.
6?
Yeah. You want to put a shallower one on?
I don't shallow one. Seriously think I just missed one. Missed 2, maybe 3.
Nice, alright.
Nice. What are you trolling?
0-1.
I got that little Rapala still.
Nah.
Yeah. Just left one right now.
0-1. Yeah, 2 bites. Alright, the time is now 5:18. No fish yet in the boot. Down by 1 still. Button.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. Work fish.
Oh, crappie.
Really?
Oh no, a little rainbow.
Little rainbow. Nice catch, T.
You got that on camera?
Sure do.
Alright, bud. I'm gonna throw him back.
Throw him back. Tied up right now. 1-1. Let's go, Ty. We'll just run this back and forth. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Actually tied up 1-1. Right back in this thing. Probably go back to that spot.
Which spot?
That spot by the tree.
There we go.
There we go. Little one, huh?
Got it on camera? Alright, alright.
Sure do, sure do.
Kill the engine just for a sec. Ooh, another little rainy bow.
A little spinner, dude. We might have to switch it up.
Dude, I have more of these. Right in the snoot, too.
Right in the snoot, right where we like it.
Right in the snoot.
If you catch one more than a little one, we're downsizing.
Dude,
2-0.
Seriously, I have the same one with just a little hint of red in it.
Let's go. As of now, it's 2-1. 2-1. Let's go.
2-1, baby, 2-1.
2-1, dude. Let's go. We're on it. This is what we want to be doing too.
Dude, I think we should make a casting pass at this.
Yeah.
On this pass.
You know what? Okay.
I think we should make a casting pass at this.
Yeah.
Dude, I'd cast this one if I were you.
The little one?
Yeah, this one here, man. This little double-bladed tipped worm one.
I think I'll just throw my little spinner one here.
Alright. I'm gonna throw this here.
We should definitely downsize that spinner. Not throw the fucking huge one.
Dude, I have more.
We got two. Two little trouties.
Turn to go to the other shore.
There's one more. Let's go. It's 5:57.
5:57. This one counts.
I'm gonna reel in. We gotta get going. Little rainbow. Little rainbow.
Oh man, you got any pliers? You just want to beat feet now?
5:59. Nice tournament, Tyler.
Right?
Both had a few fish there. Well, I guess I didn't have any fish, but Tyler had all the fish.
We both had bites. You know, can't argue about that.
I just snapped my rope on my winch almost. I got like a little piece of it left.
Really?
Since you guys showed up, I got those 3 earlier.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Just what, a little rainbow?
Yeah, I got a little picture of just a little guy like this big.
All ours are on the GoPro.
Yep.
Oh, they're down.
But yeah, dude, that was fun.
Oh,
Fun little troll around. Yeah, we hummed across the lake there at the end.
Nice.
But yeah, truck's still here. I'm gonna go out for another one.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Another little lap.
There
Oh yeah. Yeah, I gotta get run the truck.
we go. I'm gonna take
Anyways,
off.
bro.
You guys have a nice one.
All right, bro. Good seeing you, man. Fun challenge. We'll have to do it again for sure.
Definitely, yeah.
Maybe find somebody to get another boat in here.
No such thing as a bad cast, just bad aim.
There you go. Is that what you taught at the fucking clinic?
Cast will catch fish.
Fucking God.
Yeah, well.
Fuck back for round 2. Come on, now. Right under that tree.
Ooh, there's a bass. Yeah, it's a smallie.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh. Dang, boy. I think that's just what bounced mine. Is it a good one?
Oh, yeah, it's a good one.
Fuzz, yeah, it's a good one. There's a bass, homeboy. There we go.
Yeah, we smoked that.
That's a quality looking. Oh my God.
Dude, Kyle's gonna be so pissed.
Kyle's gonna be so pissed.
Yeah, bud.
On the release.
Yeah, bud.
Yeah, bud. That's what we're about. Let's get another one.
Oh yeah, Kyle's gonna be so pissed.
Cal's gonna be so pissed. Dude, that's a massive Elmo smallie.
Dude, that was a 3-pound smallie, man.
Is that right?
Seriously.
That was a 3-pound smallmouth.
I mean, I've caught a lot of smallies, and that was every bit 3.
Every bit 3. I mean, that looked like it, you know? I mean, he was a chunky little bastard.
Dude, and I'm surprised. Alright, dude. We gotta call it a night.
Yep, that's about where I'm at. Well, Tyler, we caught a nice smallmouth and we won a tournament.
Yeah, dude, totally a successful
Fucking boot scooting boogie. All right, so leaving the pond here, and what do we have to say, Ty?
Well, you know, it was a good day. We'd caught some fish. We'd enjoyed quality friend time, I suppose. You know,
yeah.
beautiful day to be out. Nice smallie. You know.
Yep.
Good
at
black.
the very end. What did we catch them on?
Spinners today with little bucktails on the back. Did pretty well.
Little baby ones, not the big ones. Little babies.
And that's universal. You get trout, you get bass, and we proved that today.
Proved it.
All right, guys. Well, next time.
I'm ill.